this is X alpha. Okay. So this X alpha is equal to G XA alpha A. We may write in this form. Okay. This alpha equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, or you may say that 0, I, alpha equal to 0 to I, and A is 0 and J. J is 1, 2, 3, and I is to differentiate it. I use the I for alpha and A for J for A. Okay. So I is also 1, 2, 3, and J is also 1. So this X0 Xi equal to this this X alpha is equal to G alpha A0 X0 plus G alpha I Xi. Okay. One minute. J. Actually, here I am using the J as a tensor indices X0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. That's why. For that concomitant and covariant, alpha value, A value is only, there is difference is A is 0, 1, 2, 3, or A is 0, J. Okay. 1 minute. Actually, this is the tensor. I have not changed it. This is X0, X1, sorry. X0, X1, X2, X3. If I write it in this form, this is not in the form of common vector. This is actually 1, 2, 3. Okay. When we convert it into the common space, if I say that X naught equal to CT, then this will be X minus X 1. If I use the notation X minus X3, okay, or I will use that CT minus Xi. Okay, got it? Okay, so that's terminology I will use here. Okay. So X alpha is G alpha 0 X0 plus G alpha J minus S Xj. Okay. X naught mean CT. Okay. Okay. Similarly, X alpha is X naught X alpha I not Xi in the form of tensor. Alpha value is 0 and I. Okay. This is G alpha 0 CT plus G zero CT, alpha is 0, okay, corresponding. CT plus G 0 J is 0 J is minus xj, okay, and G I 0 CT plus G I j is minus xj. Now I have put it the value of alpha. Alpha was 0 rho and alpha is I123 rho. Okay. Okay. And if I write x naught, it equal to x naught will be equal to CT, okay, CT, and this will be xi. This will remain the positive, as I had already explained, and this will be G0 0 CT plus G0 J even if you are not interested to write, you may write in this way too. If you are not interested to write indices, you may remove the indices, as we usually write x, y, z. Mean x bar mean this is a vector x, y, z. Okay. किसकी जगह यहाँ क्या लिखते हैं? अच्छा अच्छा, the bar, sorry, that's my mistake. You have to write the bar. Yes, because actually this is a positive. Okay. If you are confusing with the bar, you may write, if you may remove the j. सबसे अच्छा तरीका ये है कि आप j रहने ही दो, क्योंकि बहुत सी बुक्स j यूज ही नहीं करती. ठीक है. You may use this x bar, x bar, x bar. Okay. Simply x bar. X bar means x, y, z, 3 components. Okay. And j will be positive, and if you use the x bar, then that is negative. Okay. And so you remove this here. Okay. Got it? G sorry, I0 CT plus G Ij minus x. Okay. 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 Got it? Okay. So this is a common vector. Bar means common vector. Okay. Space vector x, y, z. Okay. Okay. So by comparing the coefficient CT equal to, this implies that G0 0, this will be equal to 1, when that will be, by comparing the coefficient, then this will be 1. Okay. G0 J, this will be equal to minus 1. Okay. Sorry. G0 J, that will be a 0. Here G10 is equal to 0, and Gij, that will be equal to minus Ij. Means when they are a same, then that will be a same, otherwise that will be a 0. Canonical delta. Canonical delta. Yeah, that mean that is actually equal to 1 when I equal to j, and that will be 0 when I is not equal to j. Okay. Okay. So what is if we combining so it's a mean G alpha beta is what is 0. Okay. Oh no, sorry. 1 0 0 0 0. Okay. Okay. 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Okay. Or you may write as 1 1 this number of rows कितनी है rows कितनी है 0th row sorry 1 2 3 okay ये 0 sorry 0 this is a 1 यहाँ 1 this is a 1 okay this is a first row second row 0 I is changing okay I 1 2 3 okay 1 minute please and this will be a 0 I 0 or we may write I 0 T मीन इसको रो में हम कॉलम की फॉर्म में देखते हैं ना तो उसको T का मतलब है रो कॉलम में ठीक है और I equal to 1 2 3 j equal to 1 2 3 got it this is transpose okay okay ओम का मतलब 0 नल वेक्टर आप इसके ऊपर लाइन लगाओ तो और भी अच्छा है क्योंकि ज्यादातर बुक्स जो है लाइन लगाते हैं ठीक है got it क्या कह रहे हो -1 I 1 2 3 जब भी है बाकी -1 0 0 पे 1 है 0 0 0 थ्रो ये 0 थ्रो 0 कॉलम 0 थ्रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 0 थ्रो सेकंड कॉलम 0 थ्रो गॉट इट दैट इज सिंपल okay have you noted may I erase alpha this gives you the value of 1 I0 transpose I0 minus Ij okay got it yes and if we move from this then x alpha A. By doing same process, okay, now x0 minus x, okay, equal to G0 CT plus, yes, now this will be plus 0 I x, because it is a contravariant, okay, G 0 I implies that by writing the same, okay, again you will get G0 is equal to 1, G0I is equal to 0, okay, Gij is equal to minus Ij, that equal to, okay, you got the same result, okay. So G alpha beta is the alpha A of G alpha beta is as 1 0 I transpose, no sorry, I column, okay, and yes, I is changing, first row, first column, second column, रो इज चेंज, कॉलम चेंज हो रहा है, हमें यहाँ 0 आई लिखना चाहिए, रो बने, अगर ट्रांसपोज से लेते हैं I0 आएगा, यहाँ I0 फर्स्ट रो, हाँ यस ठीक है, यू आर राइट, दिस इज रो, यस ओके, the same result is the same, so this implies that okay, the result is the same, so G alpha beta is the same as G alpha beta, okay, got it? G alpha beta जो है जिसमें पावर ऊपर आ रही है, पहले हमने निकाला था G alpha beta अप वाला, वो भी वही रिजल्ट है और दोनों सेम, so that implies that this implies that G alpha beta is equal to G alpha beta, so there is no difference. लेकिन ये डोनेट क्या कर रहा है, अल्फा बीटा से ऊपर आने को कॉन्ट्रावेरिएट क्या है? Yes, madam, if it both are contravariant super in this superscript or a subscript, the value, there will be no change in a value, okay.